Zyro Website Builder Tutorial: How to create a website with Zyro, Zyro's AI tools. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can get started with creating your own website using AI with Zyro. So Zyro is a platform created by Hostinger that allows you to build your website, but it has a lot of AI-powered tools that are directly integrated into their platform, which include AI writers, background removers, slogan generators, image upscalers, business name generator, refund policy generator, heat map, image resizer, and so much more. So you can basically do all of the difficult stuff with your website directly from Zyro and their AI-powered tools. You don't have to go into ChatGPT, you don't have to go into Midjourney, you don't have to buy all of these different AI tools at a premium price. Instead, you can get started with Zyro. Plus, Zyro allows you to get started for free without any credit card, and you don't have to pay anything. You can just try it out. And the pricing plans on Zyro are currently at a discount where they are only starting at $2.59 per month, where you also will receive a domain for 1 year. You also will receive a free business email address for 3 months. And then the business plan of Zyro starts at $3.59 per month, which also has marketing integrations and e-commerce integrations, which will allow you to sell upwards of 500 products directly on your Zyro website. So let's get started with Zyro. Simply head on over to Zyro.com and click on Start for Free on the top right. You can sign up with your email address or Google, whichever one you prefer. You can even sign up with Apple ID or any other social media platform like Twitter. So once you have, chosen the platform that you want to sign up with, you can get started directly with your website builder, or you can just go into your Zyro dashboard. It's going to be empty if you haven't built anything yet, but we're going to click on create a new website and we're going to get started with building our website. So let's say I want to build a fashion-based website, and you guys can see there are a bunch of different templates available. I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to click on start building. And just like that, in a couple of seconds, I can get started with creating my own website without having to go through the hassle of hosting and all of those different things. So once you have chosen your template, and you can even choose to get started with a empty one, but having a template just makes it a lot easier. And you will be able to see this as obviously the Zyro platform. This is the pre-existing template. But how can you really use AI to help you in building this specific template to your liking? Well, instead of having to choose a lot of things on your own, you can even click on the left side over here. You have this navigation panel. In your navigation panel, you have multiple different styles, blogs, all of the things that have been added into this template. But I can click on this section over here, which is just the sparkle section, and you have your AI logo maker, AI writer, as well as AI heat map. The first thing I want to do is build my logo, and this will automatically open up the AI logo maker created by Hostinger, and I can just sign up with the same account that I created previously. And just like that, in a couple of seconds, I can open up my logo maker like so. And you have your brand name. So let's say our brand name is Durden. Then you can also choose to enter your slogan into your logo. If you want to incorporate it, you can enter it over here. So let's say for us, this slogan is made with love and the brand is clothing and women's fashion, and I can click on create over here. Now you get free credits on this as well, and then you can choose to purchase credits if you want to do more building with the AI. You also have describe logo, where you can describe your logo in more detail, so you can get the type of logo that you want. So you can choose to add your text and it will create a logo in accordance to what you typed in. You can even click on create yourself and choose your own logo. So I actually really like some of these logos that they've created, especially this one. So I'm going to click on download for free, and just like that I have a zipped file and I can unzip it, and just like that I have my logo ready. Now in our header I can click on change logo, and I'm going to replace this image. I'm going to upload the logo that we just created with the Zyro powered AI or Hostinger powered AI. I'm going to click on select over here. And just like that, our new logo has been created. Now you can do this with AI writers as well. You can choose a specific topic on what you want to write, or you can just go on ahead and write some general information for your particular website. Now, you guys can see this template is pretty much set up already, so I can directly choose to go live with this template. However, if you want to get started from scratch, you can also do that with the Zyro platform. I can just click on delete over here, and I can click on create new website over here. And to publish your website, you do have to get started with their plan, so you have to choose a plan. But let's say I'm going to get started with a blank template. So we're going to get started with a AI generated template, and this is available in the blank templates section, where it's going to be specifically AI generated. So you're going to click on start building over here on this specific template if you just want to focus directly on AI. So you guys can see you even have a quick start guide, which will help you in, managing all of your basic elements in your website. You can click on add section, and you're going to add your front section, and we're going to add our front section, which is going to look like this. And then you can choose whatever you want. So if you click on any section, it will show you AI assist, and you can ask AI to write a paragraph about the particular niche or industry you are in. And the more detailed of a prompt you provide, the better the AI assist will work. You have to make sure it's at least 10 characters long. So I'm just going to enter this text over here. And just like that, the AI will write the text for me. I don't have to worry about that as well. Obviously, you want to make sure that you're letting it write up. But I'm going to click on add section, and you can just click on over here, click on add section. We are going to scroll down, and let's say I want to build my privacy policy. So you can enter your company name, website name, and click on add section, and your privacy policy would be added. Now you can click on AI assist and ask your AI to write the particular privacy policy requirements that you might have. If you have any kind of pre-existing information on it that you want to be elaborated in the privacy policy, you can enter that, and the AI will help you integrate it into a nice formulated kind of paragraph. And you also get a AI heat map, which will generate a attention map for you. This will predict your user behavior, how customers are going to perceive your website, which areas of your website are going to get the most amount of attention from the customers, so you can choose to enter your product or choose to sell your products directly in those sections. So you guys can see these are the two visual focal points that will help customers see your website, and I can make sure that these two focal points are designed in a way that helps the main purpose of my website. May that be selling a product, selling a course, or getting more views, whatever is the main purpose of your website. So in this way, you can get started with building your website using AI. To make sure that your website is live, you have to choose a plan with Zyro, and you can see currently they have a 30-day money back guarantee, so you don't have to basically pay anything, although the money will be deducted. You will get a free refund, a full refund without any questions if you do not like the Zyro platform for your website. So this is how you can get started with the Zyro website builder powered with AI. It's simple, easy, and effective, and can be quite a nice platform for beginners to get started because of how easy and simple it is to use. Plus, all of the AI features are integrated directly into the platform, so you don't have to go on to a third party to type in your descriptions, type in your products. So let's say even with the AI heat map, AI writing tools, you also have things like your AI background removers and image tools as well. So these kinds of image tools that are powered by Hostinger that are also going to help you in building good visuals for your website. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.